Colors look good.
This color is pretty, huh?
Yeah, the forest green or whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something. Hey guys, welcome back to Straight Outta Content featuring Flash Custom Transfers. Chelly, if you're new here, this is just a quick updated video. This is just a quick video to update you guys on what's going on, and we have amazing news that we want to share with you as well. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Our delays are officially over. Thank you. That's a cue to clap. So I just wanted to let you know we have no more delays across the board. We were dealing with tons of things that were out of our control with our printers, with our health issues, with the weather, with all kinds of things that had delays occur within our business. Just want to let you know that they're over. It's safe to place your order, and you will receive your order within the 2 to 4 business days turnaround time as normal.
Yeah.
And we still do have those rush options. If you're needing your order before 2 to 4 business days, we still have flash options. Please be sure to request those. What is the other news we were gonna say?
Keep going on with, I guess that's, because we're gonna get into the different products and probably like another video, but this is just a video because this is the first time you are back on camera.
Oh, it is? What was my last video?
Since you've been on camera?
Yeah, I didn't realize this is my first time. So hey guys, I know. Okay, well then this is a perfect opportunity to say thank you to everyone who has wished me well wishes, who's said prayers for me and my family, and who's just been very supportive, and ultimately who's been understanding during all these delays. I do understand that we are a business, and people purchasing are also businesses, and they need their time in a timely manner, and I get that.
They need their product in a timely
manner. So I appreciate your patience. I appreciate your loyalty to our business. We don't take any of that for granted. And thank you for just rocking with us through this hectic season that we just had. Next season, we'll be more prepared. Like I said, like you guys know, this is our first year. We weren't expecting things, and we're just gonna plan better. Some things you can't plan for.
Yeah, what are you talking about planning?
I'm just saying,
everything that happened.
Well, I was just thinking about Black Friday, how crazy that was that we weren't prepared for. You had some crust right here. What'd you eat?
3 sausages, eggs, orange juice.
So as you guys know, I've been dealing with the foot issue. That's healing slowly but surely. Then I had all of this going on, which is still there. I'm gonna spare you the visual, but it's still there, but we're rocking and rolling. So we appreciate your support.
You can even hear it in your voice.
What?
You're still off.
But I'm here, I'm on. I am not off, I am on.
No, you still don't sound like all the way back.
No, but it's okay.
Yeah.
You know what? I've been working through all of this. There might be, a few Saturdays where I was like, I can't do anything, but I am up and running every day of the week.
She left the doctor's this morning. That's what she's.
I went to the doctor's this morning, so that's why I got a little blush on.
Monday at 12:50, us filming this video.
Always rocking and rolling. Chelly don't really.
Yeah.
So
no.
what else, baby?
Well, this is your backup video. This is your back end video to the one that I did over there in the dining room.
Oh yeah. Well, I think I said what I had to say. I just really am thankful for everyone just sticking with us through this crazy hectic time, and we did literally what we could, and we made it through. We are back.
It was tough because I was thinking last night of all the surgeries that we still have to do. You know what I mean? Because she's got another one coming up on her other foot. I got this thing under my tongue I gotta get done. I'm not even gonna consider the knee because I seen what you went through with your foot.
Oh my God.
I can't.
And not even mention next year when I start getting all my cosmetic surgery. That's gonna be a lot.
Because September you can start, right?
I don't know.
Because it'll be 1 year.
I'm just not doing nothing this year. I know that.
Yeah.
Starting next year, I'll have, cosmetic surgery. I had the rapid weight loss. So I've lost over 100 pounds. So there is a lot of loose skin. So those are certain things that I'm gonna take care of next year after I get through with the surgeries that fix the insides of my body. Then I'll work on the outside. Just what it is.
Yeah, so it's a lot, guys. Again, you guys seen one of the last videos that I made where I just sat down and spoke to you guys. Now you see Chelly and I here for the first time, because I've been recycling a lot of videos.
Yes, yeah,
You know what I mean?
and then that's important too, just to keep that content going. If you're not able to create something new due to circumstances, life events, recycle those videos and keep that content going.
Yep, so Chelly is back. It is February 6th, so.
Tomorrow's my son's
Tomorrow's
birthday.
Donovan's birthday.
Donovan, 11 years old, so both of our kids are sick.
Yep, both of the kids are sick. Yep, both of the kiddos are sick.
So they're both home today, resting to get ready for tomorrow for Donovan's birthday. Hopefully both of the kids are feeling well by that time.
Yeah. Yep, so you guys will see new videos on you guys seen in the one video where I was telling you guys about the up and coming retail product. So that's coming. Valentine's Day transfers are coming.
Flash graphics, don't forget, Flash graphics, you're able to create any image into an embroidery effect design.
Well, any image into any type of effect design, and we can handle all your graphic needs. You need logo creation, vectoring, color change, background removal. We can do things like this. If you need to make, flyers or cards and stuff like that, we do it all with Flash graphics. So we will do separate videos now that Chelly's actually back and not confined to the computer all the time and trying to make up time whenever she can't. Like today, she just got back, and even things like grocery shopping. You know what I mean? She can't even walk around a grocery store, or she has to be in the cart and all this other stuff. So we're always, and it's hard because we're always, and then Alora's homeschool, so I gotta help her with the homeschool. Then Dee's now home from school, so then, you know what I mean? It's a tough process running.
It's like a
juggling, yeah.
Juggling 50 things at one time.
Yep, then you get birthdays and holidays and sports and everything. So it's a lot, and we are trying our best. We had a lot of customers, get upset, and we totally understand it with the delays that we had, but these are the growing pains of small businesses and startup companies. They all have, every company in the world that you can think of, if they're big, when they first started, it was not a smooth transition. And that's the reason why, being an entrepreneur is not easy. It's 10 times harder than it is being a manager or store manager or operator or anything like that. The life of a true entrepreneur is extremely, extremely difficult. So
it's not for the weak.
No, it's not for the weak at all. No, it's not, because when you have a job and somebody else is running that whole facility and you don't feel good, you just stay home. There's no responsibility on you. The people above you have to worry about, this Mr. Billy Johnson is not coming into work today. How do we still function for the day? Well, we are Billy Johnson, so we don't show up for work. You guys suffer, you know what I mean? So, anyway, but yeah, that's gonna be this video. Just wanted to do back to life, back to reality, back to life video. And yeah, stay tuned for all the new products that we're coming, because we're gonna be really smashing the market and the retail. We were already there, but again, we were at the first retail store that we're gonna release the DTF product in. We were there purchasing some blank apparel because we're gonna do something really cool for the UPS employees that have been really.
Oh yeah. I want to shout out to Juan Martinez. We saw him at Aviva when we were buying some blank apparel, and it was so amazing to meet someone, a Flash fan member. He he does local pickup in our area, Cypress. We were actually in the Houston wholesale district, so that's like 30 minutes away. We were at the register, we were talking to the young ladies, and he was like, Flash?
Yeah.
Chelly? And I was like, and then he was like, talking to us, and it was like, my husband said, like that reverse starstruck. Yeah. We were starstruck from him recognizing us. So if you guys ever see us in town, out in the wild, as they say, please say hi, please speak to us. We love to meet, all Flash fans. And my husband says anybody who comes and says hi to us gets a free sheet, 22 by 24.
Yeah.
So if you see us, be sure to say what's up for your free sheet. And we appreciate you. We love all the Flash fam. I was just so happy. Gave him fist bump because I was like, you are Flash fam. And then he was like, I time, he told me his brand name, and I was like, I know exactly who you are, you know, because we build that rapport with each one of our clients just because, you know, I'm in the emails working on things, so I know exactly who most of you are. So it was really cool to finally meet you, Juan Martinez. He says that he watches our content and follows us on IG and purchases from us, so that's all we can ask for. We love you, and I hope to see more of you guys soon or anytime.
And we were glad he wasn't a customer who
who is that? Like, where's my stuff?
Who's
my stuff?
Who's part of the delay and stuff like that. But
no, it worked out great.
And listen, if you ever meet us in person and it's awkward, it's not. It's because we're.
No, don't speak for us.
Yes.
Speak for yourself.
It's because because I was cool with the other girl. I just didn't know him.
Because we're what?
Huh?
Because we're what?
Well, I didn't know him either because she has a different relationship with each customer because she has to see their name and then work with them. Mm-hmm. I don't have that. So I was actually talking to somebody else who we had seen there before. She really didn't recognize like that from the beginning. And then we had our rapport because she had looked us up on Instagram and then showed it to her girlfriend. You know what I mean?
She was in one of our videos.
She was in one of our videos, yeah, when we went down there to Aviva. So then we're chit-chatting and then this guy sees us and I'm like, oh, snap. So like, I don't get to see everybody. So whenever I'm like, oh, hey, what's up, man? And I always think that the customer thinks that I'm supposed to know who they are. And I'd be like, dang, if I don't know them, I feel bad.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I don't ever want to show disrespect to anybody because you took time to purchase the product. Mm-hmm. So when she knows somebody, I'm like, yes, go ahead, baby. Tell them because I really just don't know. This right here is what I handle.
The content, behind the content scenes, I'm behind the email scenes.
Yeah, her and Marianne. So Marianne would know better than me. Yeah. And I don't ever want to just show disrespect. So that's when I kind of get like nervous. It's like, oh,
you're with me. Don't worry about it.
No, I know. But if I'm ever dolo, I'm gonna be like, hey, how you doing? And I promise I'm not. Just please don't take any offense at all because I'm truly grateful. I just don't know. Yeah. I just don't know. You know what I mean? I just really don't know. I don't get into her area because her and Marianne and any future employee that we get, they got it on lock. So I just mess things up. I've been messing things up. But anyway, guys, sorry, this video went a little longer than we thought. So we're gonna go ahead, stay tuned for the next videos because we're gonna go ahead and start filming about the retail product, about Flash System graphics and some other things that just get back into the groove of filming and stuff like that. Now that Chelly can actually sit up, right?
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, you couldn't sit up.
Okay, because I was literally like, why haven't I been in any video? You're right, I couldn't sit up for a long period of time.
Yeah.
You're right, I'm back. Let's do it. My husband's gonna make me film 6 videos today.
Yeah, something like it. Well, you guys need it. We know that you guys need it. We've been doing a lot of ads and stuff like that. So please, guys, share. We actually never say this in our videos. Please share. If you are watching this and you have used our DTF product or any of our other products, please make a video, please share. Good, bad, or indifferent, whatever you have, just whatever experience that you've had, please share. We are trying to really push our brand. But again, we are definitely coming to a store near you.
Yes, and we will be continuing our classes as well, our Flash class. What did I use? Flash business class. So stay tuned for that as well. Love you guys so much. You know what it reminds me of? Have you seen that meme? Where it's like, Grandpa, I'm tired. And he's like, that's too bad. That's what today is. Do you guys know that meme?
Comment down below if you know that, because I don't.
He's like, Grandpa, I'm tired. That's what I'm saying, is you're gonna make me film so many videos.
Oh, baby, stop talking like that. Why are you talking like that?
Baby, I'm being silly.
Okay, because they be thinking that I'm like some type of,
you'll see.
They stepped on me.
6 videos in this hoodie, watch.
Babe, they stepped on me.
Today's his birthday.
Is it?
Yes.
Him and Donovan are that close?
Yeah, Donovan got an invitation to his party this weekend.
How old is he?
I don't know. But we have baby Leo's party this weekend, so we can't go.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, true that. True that. But that's good. So he still gets a birthday party low key. All right, guys, we're going to let y'all go. All right, peace.
But that was cute.